In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your bank account with Whop. Let's dive right into it. The first thing you need to do is log into your Whop account. If you're not quite familiar with how to do that, just head over to the Whop login page and enter your credentials. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on your homepage. From there, you'll want to look for the Profile section. It's conveniently located on the left side of your screen. Click on that, and you'll notice it reveals a new set of options. You're going to want to select the Balance option from this menu. Now, this is where we sort of branch off depending on your verification status. For this tutorial, I'm following along with an unverified account. So if you're not yet verified, just like in the example I'm using, you'll see an option that says Verify yourself to pay out. Click on that if you haven't completed the verification process already. If you're one step ahead and already verified, that's great. You can skip directly to the next important part. So now the next step is to choose your country from the list provided. Selecting your country is an essential step because it ensures that the setup aligns with local banking standards and currency regulations. Once you've selected your country, you'll be typically redirected to Stripe. Stripe is a widely trusted payment processor that makes linking your bank account straightforward and secure. Here you'll find instructions on your screen guiding you through the process to verify your identity and complete the setup. Take your time with these steps to make sure all your information is correct and up to date. It's also crucial to keep in mind that your payouts will be made in your selected country's local currency. This is an important detail to note for those who might be concerned about currency conversion and related charges. After following through with these steps, if everything is completed successfully, your bank account will be linked. This means you're all set up to receive payouts directly into your bank account. That's pretty much it. You've now learned how to link your bank account with Whop efficiently and securely. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon for new uploads. This way you'll stay updated with more useful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.